Think about the way consumers shop today. Sure, we still go to physical stores, but we also search, compare, and buy online through our smartphones, laptops, and tablets. Selection used to be limited to what we could physically find and buy. Now we have the world at our fingertips. But how does Kelly know that what she's finding in her online search is really what she's looking for? And how can Sweetie Pie brands and Darcy's make sure that their products are discoverable and accurately represented across all channels? The times may have changed, but the answer remains the same. Unique identification through the use of GS1 standards. In the physical world, the number used in a UPC barcode actually represents a Global Trade Item Number, or GTIN, that uniquely identifies that item all around the world. With this kind of unique identification, trading partners can exchange information automatically and accurately throughout the supply chain and with their consumers. In today's omni-channel world, products appear on physical and digital shelves. But a product's digital data is not always what it should be. Search engines are dealing with product data that is not structured consistently, so Kelly gets different results depending on how and where she searches. There is no way for search engines to find the right products each and every time, let alone look for duplicates or flag incorrect information. Some products appear when others don't, and even when Kelly gets to the right product, the quality of the information can be incorrect, incomplete, or irrelevant. It's a hassle for consumers like Kelly, and it's a liability for brand owners and retailers. Proprietary numbering systems confuse matters even further. Without a standardized global system, the same identification number can yield very different results. It seems complicated, but there's a simple solution: encoding a global trade item number and product data into product web pages. With products identified in a standardized way, search engines can more easily find the right product with the right information attached to it. Consumers get robust, accurate search results, and they know exactly what they are comparing as they shop. They have access to more detailed product information, where to buy based on their location, precise product comparisons, and real-time social media reviews through the linking of relevant data. Sweetie Pie brands and Darcy's can be more confident that their products will appear in the right consumer searches with the right information, making them as appealing online as they are in the store. The use of GS1 standards revolutionized the retail world with the barcode more than 40 years ago. Now's the time to take unique GS1 identification and attributes online and ensure the best omni-channel shopping experience for consumers like Kelly. For more information, contact your local GS1 office or email digital@gs1.org.